command of the aircraft is Captain Pedro Alfonso Panti II, ably assisted by First Officer Manuel Paulo Lascano. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangunahan ni Kapitan Panto sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Lascano. Tayo po ay lilipad na mahigit kulang 1 oras at 5 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body.
They're moving out.
Over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest
So
exit
that's the demonstration of our
cabin door is equipped with a
flight stewardess or cabin crew. So they are already demonstrated here at Cebu Pacific. So dinemonstrate nila yung safety features ng aircraft. Diyan. Mag-take off na.
Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of
take off na tayo.
cigarette and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by
Take off na tayo.
regulations. Please stop using the gadget until the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Take off na tayo any moment now.
As a safety precaution, please refrain from charging your portable electronic devices using power banks during this time.
Yan, take off na tayo.
Potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang tanggalin ang mga charging cables sa seat power outlets at iwasan po ang pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito. Maraming salamat po.
About to take off. Cebu Pacific.
Safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again, this is 5J617 bound for Tagbilaran. Welcome aboard.
So we're about to take off. Our cabin crew. Yes, we're moving forward. We're about to take off here. Okay. Take off na kami. Lumalakas na yung Yan na. Biglang magmumove yan. And pinalakas na engine. Did you hear that? Oh. Palakas na palakas yung engine. So we're about to take off. We are on board Cebu Pacific. Location here at Terminal 3. Sabay kayo sa biyahe ko. Yan na. So ayan, we are on board Cebu Pacific flight from NAIA Terminal 3 going to Tagbilaran, Bohol. It will take only 1 hour and 15 minutes from Manila to Bohol. Papainit pa ng engine. Warm up. Engine warm up, no? So any moment magano na tayo. Take off na tayo. Dito lang yan sa Cebu Pacific. Ang ganda ng yung service nila dito sa Cebu Pacific. Very helpful sila. Lalo na pag-akyat ng bagahe. Alam niyo yan. So yan. The engine is starting. Yan. We're about to take off. Dito nga. Yan. Yan na. Nag-move na tayo forward. They're slowly moving, guys. Slowly moving. We're about to take off here at Terminal 3 on board Cebu Pacific going to Bohol. So we now warm up ni pilot yung and this is the area where
we shall be dimming the cabin lights for your comfort. For guests eating or reading, feel free to switch on your fiddle reading lights.
this is the area where Tatay Digong was arrested by the policeman. Oh, yan na. Medyo mabilis na, no? Take off na kami. Hindi pa pala. Moving slowly. Preparing to take off. Mamaya lang pa, wala na akong signal. mga ka-DIY, KKB. Hi guys, we are on board Cebu Pacific flight. I think ano bang flight namin? 170. Yan na, this is my favorite part, no? So ramdam pa yung gulong malubak. No? May bilis na. So we're still moving. Keep on rolling. Rolling on the river. Malubak. Pero kung titignan mo sa baba yan, yung simento, patag pa yan eh. Pero pagka nakasakay ka na pala, no, parang lubak-lubak. Yan, okay. So again, we're on board Cebu Pacific, the safest and cheapest flight. Nag-advertise pa na. Hindi, talaga naman cheapest ang ano eh, ang Cebu Pacific eh, in terms of peace, gano'n. Ito yung ano, pakpak ko. Ayun yung pakpak. Diba yung pakpak? Pakpak. Okay. Ayun pakpak. Mas mahirap dun sa tail eh, sa buntot. Eto, unahan kami ng ano, unahan kami ng pakpak ng eroplano.
Cabin crew to takeoff station.
Takeoff station. Any moment now, we're about to take off. Ayun na, kumakanan na kami. Turning right, 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 right. When the price is right. Yan, no? Ang lawak ng airport natin dito sa Naiya. So halo-halo na to dito, yung runway. I think 3 yata ang runway dito. Ang ganun. Yan na. Pumosisyon na. Favorite part ko to. Take off. Pag lumakas ang engine, for sure. Kami sa Terminal 3 Manila. Siguro ano, nag-aantay pa ng go signal ng tower. Pag may go signal na sila, then that's the time na mag-take off na yung aeroplano. Again, we are here at board on Cebu sa Pacific. Yan na yata. Yan na. Oo, diretso na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good. Lapit na kami mag-take off. Take off. Wala pa. We're still on the land. I'll give you, sabihin ko kung naka-take off na kami. We're still on the land. Nasa lupa pa kami. And we're off. Off na kami. Nasa itaas na kami ng ere. Nakakalula. Parang nawawala yung kaluluwa mo. Yan. Nasa ere na kami. Kaya lang foggy, ano? Foggy siya. Yan. Ere na kami, ha? No? Ere na kami, ha? Nakaka-ano? Yung altitude na medyo nakaka-ano? Nakalula, ha? Ayan, nasa taas na kami. Take off na kami. Ha? Take off. We're on the air. On the air. Yan. Paalis na kami ng Manila. Going to Tagbilaran. Nasa area na tayo. Ayan, dagat na yan sa ibaba. Dagat na ba? Ulap. Nasa ibaba na tayo ng ulap. So ayan, bilis lang ano. Nasa ulap na kami, oh. Cloud 9.